Hello everyone. In this video session we are going to attempt another question of computer organization from the topic main memory and cache. This question was asked in the year 2012 and basically there were two questions associated with this problem statement and both the questions were of 2 marks. So the problem statement goes like this: a computer has 256 kilobyte 4-way set associative write back data cache with block size of 32 bytes. The processor sends 32-bit addresses to the cache controller. Each cache tag directory entry contains, in addition to address tag, 2 valid bits, 1 modified bit, and here it should be 1 replacement bits. So this is a typo error. So it should be 1 replacement bits. The number of bits in the tag field of an address is, this is the first question, we need to find out the size of the tag field, and the second question is the size of cache tag directory is, the size of cache tag directory is. So we need to find out the total size of metadata in the cache. So first of all, we would attempt the first question, that is to find out the number of bits in tag field. So for that we need to know the number of cache blocks. Number of cache blocks is not directly given. What is given is total cache size and size of a block. So first of all we would write what is given, that is block size is given. So block size, let us represent it as capital B, and it is given to be 32 bytes. Now let us represent number of cache blocks with capital C, and the formula for number of cache blocks is total cache size divided by block size, which is represented by capital B. Now cache size is given to be 256 kilobytes and block size is 32 bytes. Now 256 kilobyte, 256 can be written as 2 to the power 8 and kilo can be written as 2 to the power 10, whereas 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. So 2 to the power 8 into 2 to the power 10 is 2 to the power 18 divided by 2 to the power 5, that is 2 to the power 13. This many cache blocks are there in the cache. Next task is to find out the number of sets. So number of sets here, because this is a 4-way set associative, number of sets is given by number of cache blocks divided by n, where n stands for n-way set associative. So here the number of cache blocks we have found out as 2 to the power 13 and the value of n is 4, because it is 4-way set associative, value of n is 4. So 2 to the power 13 divided by 4, 4 is 2 to the power 2. So number of sets would be 2 to the power 11. Now we have found out number of sets. Now let us represent the CPU address with this diagram. Now the CPU address size is given to be 32 bits. CPU address can be divided into 3 fields. First of them is block offset. So few least significant bits would form block offset, and because this is a set associative cache, next few bits would form set index, and the remaining field and the remaining bits in the CPU address would be tag field. So we need to find out the size of the tag field, and this is our first question. Now block offset is given by, let us represent it as small b, and the formula for size of block offset is log base 2 block size. So here block size is given as 32 bytes. Log base 232 is 5. So block offset is of size 5 bits. Now set index can be represented as small s, and the formula for small s is log base 2 number of sets in the cache. So number of sets here, so this is small s, this is capital S. Capital S is number of sets. So number of sets here we have calculated as 2 to the power 11. So log base 2 to the power 11, bring 11 out of logarithm. So it would be log base 2 is 1, so it would be 11. So number of set bits, set index bits is 11, and the block offset is of 5 bits, set index is 11 bits, and the remaining bits in the CPU address is tag bits. So the value of tag bits would be, means the size of the tag field would be 32 minus 11 minus 5. So 32 minus 11 is 21, 21 minus 5 is 16. So here the tag field is 16 bits. So the correct option out of this 4 is the option C, which is 16 bits. Now next task is to attempt this question and to find out the size of cache tag directory or the size of the metadata. So here if you see, each cache block would contain a tag field. So whatever may be the type of cache we have chosen, here it is 4-way set associative. Even in the case of direct mapped or in the case of fully associative cache, the tag field would always be associated with cache block. So note this, whatever might be the cache type, the tag field would always be associated with each block of the cache and not with the sets, right? So this is one fundamental. So here each cache block would contain 16 bits of tag field. Apart from that, it has got 2 valid bits, 1 modified bit and 1 replacement bit. So each cache block has got 16 bits of tag field and 2 bits of valid field and 1 modified bit plus 1 replacement bit. So overall, with each block of the cache, we have 16 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 20 bits of metadata. Now there are 2 to the power 13 cache blocks, right? So overall the size of metadata size or the tag directory size is equals to 20 bits into number of cache blocks, that is 2 to the power 13. So it is 2 to the power 13. 20 into 2 to the power 13. Now here the answers are given in kilo, right? So what we can do here is that we can extract out 2 to the power 10 from this power term. So 20 into 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 10 bits, and absorb this 2 to the power 10 in the unit, and it would become kilobits. So this is 2 to the power 10 into bits is actually 2 to the power is 1 kilobit, right? And the rest would give the numeric value. 20 into 2 to the power 3 is 20 into 8, that is 160. So 160 kilobits. 160 kilobits would be the answer. So the correct answer here is the option A. So hope you have understood the logic. Thanks for watching. Bye.